Hola guys, Miss Shamble here with your day 29 video on solving systems. So days 29 through 30 are actually the same assignment. So we've got solving by graphing up here, we've got solving by substitution, and then we've got solving by elimination, and then 2 word problems. I'm going to do number 6, which is one of the solving by substitution problems, because it looks like an elimination problem, but obviously the directions say to use substitution. So in order to make this one solvable by substitution, we have to make it so one of the equations is solved for a variable. If I look at the second equation, y is already pretty much by itself, so that's the equation I'm going to work with to get y totally alone. At the moment, it has a positive 2x added onto it, so I need to get rid of that 2x. So I'm going to subtract it to the other side. So that's gone. So my new second equation is y equals 13 minus 2x. And remember, we can't actually put those together because one has an x and one does not. So they just sit next to each other. Now that this one is solved for y, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in for y in the other equation. So instead of a y right there, in its place in parentheses is going to be 13 minus 2x. So my problem will become 3x minus 3. But instead of that y, I'm going to put in parentheses what y is equal to, which is 13 minus 2x equals negative 12. At this point, I've got an equation that only has one variable, so I can solve it, which means that I need to distribute this negative 3, bring down the 3x. Negative 3 times 13 is negative 39. Negative 3 times negative 2x is positive 6x equals negative 12. Got to combine like terms. 3x plus 6x makes 9x minus 39 is equal to negative 12. To get x totally by itself, I need to add 39 on both sides. So I get 9x is equal to negative 12 plus 39 is a positive 27. Divide by 9 on both sides, and you get x equals 3. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that x equals 3 and I'm going to plug it back in so I can find out what y is. So right here, I'm going to make that say 13, well, y equals 13 minus 2 times 3. So that'd be y equals 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. So y equals 7. So my very final answer is 3, 7. And that is the entire problem.